Hello, we're ready for Unit 3, Week 2, Day 5. This week we've been talking about how do plants grow as they change, right? We've talked about how it starts off as a little teeny seed, and then it grows a little bit into a sprout, then it gets leaves and turns green, and it grows some more, and then it blooms, right? And then eventually, if it's a vegetable or a fruit plant, will grow vegetables and fruit. All right, so today we're going to review our vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word that we're going to review is bloom. Bloom. When a flower bud opens, it blooms. All right, our next word is sprout. When seeds sprout, they begin to grow and they poke through the ground, right? All right. Our next vocabulary word, do you remember what it is? Assist. Assist means to help, right? So maybe your parents help you, they assist you or help you bake in the kitchen. Or maybe they assist you to help you fold laundry if you're learning how to fold laundry. All right, here's our next word. Do you remember what this word was? Grasped. If you grasp it, it means you hold on to it tightly, right? Remember yesterday we talked about, would you rather hold a cotton ball, grasp a cotton ball, or would you rather grasp a cactus, right? And we said a cotton ball because it was soft, right? A cactus would hurt our hand. All right, what is this word? Spy. Do you like to be a spy? Right? It means that you notice or you see something. All right, I'm going to say some sounds and you're going to put them together. Are you ready? Bike. Bike. Good job. Slide. Slide. Drive. Drive. Bite. Bite. Shine. What would it be? Shine. Good job. All right, we've been talking about long I, remember? And when we add an E to the end of a word, it makes the first vowel long. And when the vowel is long, it says its name. All right, get those fingers ready. We're going to tap some long I vowel words. Here we go. I'd. Hide. Eyes. Wise. Now this S is silly. It doesn't say the S sound, right? Sometimes S's can say Z. This one says Z. Let's tap it again. Eyes. Wise. Pile. Pile. Ipe. Ripe. All right, we're ready to practice our sight words. Today is day 5, so you should know these by now. So if you're still struggling, please be practicing them. Here we go. Green, should, together, grow, pretty, water. Right, I'm going to mix them all up. We're going to go speedy fast. Are you ready? Grow. Should, green, together, pretty, water. All right, this time I want you to use your monster voice. Ready? Green, grow, together, should, water, pretty. That was fun. All right, now before we go, we are going to read the yucca plant again. And then we're also going to read another story as well. The Big Yucca Plant by Magali Morales. Meet the characters. Narrator, Paco, Lola, Anna, Dad, Mom, Pig, Cat, and Rat. Here we go. A girl is planting. Hello, sis. What plant is that? It is a yucca. It should grow a root that we can eat. Yum! Can we help you? So in a yucca plant, we eat the root of the plant. Yes, Anna can help me dig. You can get the plant water. The sun will shine and the plant will grow. Grow, plant, grow. Many days pass. Look at the size of that plant. Yes, it is green and pretty, but it is as big as we are. My yucca did grow. It is time to pull it up. She tugs and tugs. I can't get it. It is too big. I will help. I will grab you. You grab the plant. This plant is stuck. I can tug. Come up, yucca. That is quite a plant. Let us help. Mom and Dad tug, but the plant does not come up. There are 5 of us pulling, but the yucca is still stuck. Who can we ask for help? Ask Pig. Pig is big. She can tug. Pig, can you help? Yes, I will help. I will tug Mom. And I will tug Dad. And I will tug Anna. And I will tug Paco. And I will tug Lola. And I will tug the yucca plant. But the plant does not move a bit. This plant can't be picked. Yes, it can. There must be a way. We can ask Cat. Cat, will you help? But I am not big like Pig. You can still help. Together we can get the yucca out. I will do my best. They all tug, but the plant is still stuck. Should we ask that rat to help? A rat? A rat is little. He can't help. Yes, I can. Take this vine, tie it to the plant. We all must tug on the vine. Yes, do as Rat said. They get in a line, grab the vine, and tug. It is out at last! What a fine yucca. It could win a prize. We all must thank Rat. You are little, but you are wise. Thank you. Do you know what wise means? Wise means like smart. You're smart. All right, let's do a 5-finger retell. Are you ready? So who are the characters in the story? We have Mom, Dad, Anna, Pig, the cat, the rat, right? All right, let's do the next finger is our setting. Setting means where does the story take place? Where does our story take place at? They're outside in their garden, right? Yeah. All right, what happens at the beginning of the story? What happens first? They plant what? A seed, right? They plant the seed and they water it and then it grows, right? And in the middle of the story, what's the problem? They can't get the yucca plant up, right? Because it's so big. And at the end, what happens? They're all pulling together and working together, and they're pulling it and pulling it and pulling it, and the yucca plant comes out, right? All right. We'll see you later. Bye.